Hey, I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we're going to stabilize some shaky footage you got in Premiere Pro. So let's go ahead and get into Premiere Pro. I have an empty project here. My workspace is currently the effects, so if you want to see exactly what I'm seeing, that's what you got to do. Let's go ahead and import our footage. I like to just drag and drop it right into the library, and then you drag it and drop it right into the timeline. Now you can see it is some shaky footage. What I'm going to do is go to Video Effects, down to Distort, and we're going to use Warp Stabilizer, and then we're going to wait. That we have stabilized some shaky footage. Now, if you want to see exactly what's going on here, I'm going to hit V to be in select mode, and then we can see in our effects controller all the way down to where our warp stabilizer is, and we can see exactly how much smoothness that's creating. Let's see how well of a job it did. That's pretty darn good. And with that, I feel a lot more stable.